Time is running out, and early Christmas deals are live. Save up to 52% on the 20 best Doomsday Gadgets early Christmas offers on Amazon. From survival tools to emergency gear, these top picks are perfect for staying prepared in any scenario. Don't wait. Your ultimate survival upgrade could be just a click away. Grab your survival gear before these Christmas deals disappear. All product links can be found in the description below. Number 20. Wrango Titanium Axe. Save 7% while the offer is live. This premium titanium camping tomahawk drops to $130 from its original $140. Designed as a true Doomsday survival gadget, it features a lightweight titanium head, hammer end versatility, and 2 interchangeable hickory handles, delivering power, mobility, and reliability when preparedness matters most. Secure it before the season passes. Number 19. LED flashlight. Deal alert for survival gear fans. Grab 20% off this high-output EDC flashlight, now $64 instead of $80. Built for Doomsday readiness, it delivers 6,000 lumens with red and white light modes, long-range reach, and a compact rechargeable design, making it a smart pick for emergencies, camping, and blackouts. Lock it in now while it's still a top pre-Christmas essential. Number 18. Wire Trip Perimeter Alarm. Save 11% while this security deal is live. The Tactico Wire Trip Perimeter Alarm 2.0 drops to $50 from its original $56. Built as a reliable Doomsday defense gadget, it unleashes a 129 decibel siren, features 80-foot Kevlar tripwire, and supports solar or USB charging, perfect for camping, property defense, and emergency perimeter alerts when early warning can make all the difference. Number 17. Garmin fēnix 7 Pro /28% off Elite Survival Tech. The Garmin fēnix 7 Pro Sapphire Solar plunges to $649 from $900. More than a smartwatch, it's a Doomsday-ready companion with solar charging, built-in flashlight, multi-band GPS, and weeks of battery life. Designed for extreme endurance, navigation, and all-conditions readiness when technology becomes your lifeline, grab yours before this pre-Christmas deal disappears. Number 16. Water Purification System. Save 13% while the offer lasts. The Pro Emergency Water Purification System drops to $70 from its typical $80. This portable hand-pump survival water filter features a 3-stage filtration system that removes 99.999% of impurities, delivering safe drinking water anywhere. Perfect for camping, hiking, or emergency preparedness. Secure yours before the pre-Christmas rush. Number 15. Backpack. Prepare for Doomsday-ready adventures. Save 5% on the Poncho 50L travel backpack, now $60 down from $63. This rugged, convertible carry-on features 10 organized pockets, a dedicated laptop compartment, ergonomic padded straps, and a built-in USB charging port. Perfect for emergency evacuations, bug-out scenarios, long-term survival, or extended hiking trips. Make sure this versatile all-in-one backpack is in your survival kit before it's too late. Number 14. Life Tent. Be ready for Doomsday scenarios. Save 9% on the Go Time Gear Survival Life Tent, now $20 down from $22. This 2-person Mylar emergency shelter is ultra-light, tear-resistant, and weatherproof, equipped with paracord, tent peg, and a 120 decibels whistle. Essential for bug-out bags, survival kits, or emergency preparedness. Grab yours before disaster strikes. Number 13. Berrcom Insect Sting. Defend yourself against insect bites. Save 5% on the Berrcom Insect Sting and Bite Relief, now $17 from its usual $18. This chemical-free, rechargeable device rapidly relieves itching and swelling from mosquito bites, bee stings, and other insect encounters. Compact and portable, it's an essential addition to any outdoor adventure, camping trip, or Doomsday survival kit, keeping you safe and comfortable wherever you go. Number 12. Pry Bar Multitool. Prepare for doomsday scenarios. Save 12% on the JIUSAIRUI EDC Pry Bar Multitool, now $34 down from $39. This rugged, all-in-one survival tool features a heavy-duty pry bar, bidirectional ratchet screwdriver, everlasting magnetic pen, wrenches, and bottle-up box openers. Compact, durable, and versatile, it's perfect for bug-out bags, camping, and emergency prep. Secure this essential survival companion before the pre-Christmas rush ends. Number 11. JIUSAIRUI Electronic Air Horn. Stay safe in the wild. Save 16% on the UNIWA Electronic Air Bear Horn, now $19 down from $23. This powerful 120 decibel horn warns and scares bears from up to half a mile away. Equipped with a USB rechargeable battery, LED light, compass, and retractable cord, it's an essential survival tool for hiking, camping, and doomsday outdoor preparedness. Number 10. Garmin Satellite Messenger. Save 35%. The Garmin InReach Messenger. Handheld satellite communicator drops to $196 from its original $300. This compact, rugged device enables global two-way messaging, GPS location sharing, and interactive SOS alerts, even where there's no cell service. Perfect for doomsday prep, remote adventures, and emergency communication. Secure your lifeline before the holidays end. Number 9. Folding Saw. In just $34, save 32% on the Silky Professional F180 folding saw, down from $50. This portable, high-performance handsaw features a durable, hard chrome-plated steel blade and ergonomic fiberglass polypropylene handle. Perfect for pruning, trimming, and survival tasks, its lightweight yet heavy-duty design ensures smooth, effortless cutting, an essential addition to any doomsday or camping kit. Number 8. Edition Headlamp. Illuminate every adventure. Save 17% on the Herkins Orbit 2025 Edition Headlamp, now $49 down from $59. Featuring a 210-degree ultra-wide beam plus 60-degree focused spotlight, USB-C rechargeability, and up to 1020 lumens, this lightweight, waterproof headlamp is perfect for camping, running, or survival scenarios. Stay prepared and light your way before the next expedition begins. Number 7. Japanese Chef Knife. Prepare for survival cooking. Save 52% on the Imaku Japanese Chef Knife, now $30 down from $62. This 8-inch high-carbon stainless steel knife delivers razor-sharp precision, ergonomic pocket handle comfort, and long-lasting durability. Ideal for prepping meals in emergency situations, bug-out scenarios, or doomsday survival kits. Ensure you have this essential tool for efficient food preparation when it matters most. Number 6. Wound Closure Strips. Be ready for emergencies. Save 10% on the AZEN 14-pack Emergency Wound Closure Strips, now $9 down from $10. This doomsday-ready kit includes butterfly bandages and quick-zip wound closures, offering painless, secure, and fast first aid for cuts and lacerations. Compact and easy to use, it's an essential addition to any survival kit, perfect to stock up before Christmas arrives. Number 5. GPS Personal Locator. Save 5%. The ACR Rescue Link View GPS Personal Locator Beacon Survival Kit drops to $480 from $505. This all-in-one doomsday-ready kit includes a compact GPS beacon, bright strobe light, signal mirror, loud whistle, and waterproof dry bag, ensuring fast rescue and reliable safety in any emergency. Lightweight, durable, and essential for survival, it's a must-have addition to your emergency gear. Secure it before Christmas arrives. Number 4. Inflame Fire Starter. Get your fire going. Save 27% on Inflame Fire Starters, 130 pieces, now $30 down from $41. These durable, waterproof, and weather-resistant starters light campfires, grills, fireplaces, and wood stoves effortlessly. Made from natural wood shavings and food-grade wax, they're perfect for doomsday survival kits, outdoor adventures, and emergency preparedness. Stock up before Christmas to stay ready for anything. Number 3. Saw for backpacking. Be ready for survival tasks. Save 5% on the Gerber Freescape Camp Saw, now $66 down from $69. This 12-inch folding hand saw features an innovative flat fold design, aluminum oxide blade, and secure textured handle for efficient cutting. Perfect for backpacking, bushcraft, and doomsday preparedness. Ensure you have this essential tool in your survival kit before it's too late. Number 2. Emergency Poncho Blanket. Stay ready for any emergency. Save 20% on the Prepared 4X Emergency Poncho and Mylar Blanket Liner, now $20 down from $25. This doomsday-ready poncho is waterproof, wind-resistant, and lined with reflective Mylar to retain body heat. Compact, durable, and reusable, it fits over backpacks for storms, hiking, or survival scenarios. Keep this essential gear on hand before Christmas sneaks by. Number 1. Slingshot. In just $19, save 21% on this professional stainless steel tactical slingshot, down from $24. Built for durability and precision, it features an ergonomic grip, high-velocity bands, stainless steel sights, and a complete starter kit with ammo and targets. Compact and powerful, it's ideal for training, hunting practice, outdoor survival skills, or doomsday preparedness. That's a wrap on our 20 best doomsday gadgets early Christmas offers on Amazon. Don't wait. Like, subscribe, and share now before these essential survival deals disappear.